Let's learn 5 idioms with bugs and insects. Firstly, a busy bee. This means an active and busy person. For example, I'm always a busy bee in the morning. They make such a mess. A social butterfly. This is a person who is sociable and friendly with everyone. My brother is a social butterfly. I wish I could be more like him. As snug as a bug in a rug. This means to be warm, cozy, or comfortable. The kids are as snug as a bug in a rug. Drop like flies. This means people are dying, leaving, or stopping an activity in large numbers. It's only 11 and the bar is dead. They're dropping like flies. And finally, have ants in one's pants. This means unable to sit still due to anxiousness, excitement, or nervousness. It's the last week of term. These lot have ants in their pants. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.